guys, welcome back at Gator Jack RC. This is I'm still at the park, guys. Just got done with Jack the Ripper, and all right, now I'm with the Typhon. I got some velcro right here. It seems very sturdy. It don't seem like it's gonna come off. Yeah, so this is gonna work. Let's go test it. Oh, completely different, man. Like, it just seems so light. You know what I'm saying? Like, just way lighter than Jack. Hitting this ramp. Yeah, you can see, man, I just made this ramp out of fucking pallets and some thrown away discarded plywood. It works, but it seems like it's not sturdy enough for the long wheelbase successes, man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get me a good one, buy me an aftermarket one. I want that fresh park one, man. But it seems to do all right with the Typhon. Man. I tell you what though, Jack the Ripper soaks up those bumps so much better. That's the differences between the short wheelbase and the long wheelbase and tires. We all right. Come on. Come on, TLR. Come on, baby. Nice even slap. All right, baby, come on, come on. Yeah, I should have left it alone. Should have left it alone because it was just flying all by itself perfect. Dude, I'm just quarter throttling this thing and it just goes, dude. No. But for real, man, the lightness feel of this thing is amazing. I don't know what I like better, man. Now you landed flat. Look at that, guys. That's sharp, huh? I like it. About hit a kid, y'all. That wouldn't have not been funny at all. I keep on falling in that hole. Now what you doing? I'm gonna have to tune these shocks a little bit now. They're starting to get a little play in them, or little use in them. Come on, baby, go over my head. Yes, sir. And look at here, my Velcro chip is working. It is working. I mean, it's on there, dude. I can pick up the vehicle. Yeah, that'll work. Little kid getting a kick out of my little RC. Let me go over there and wave. Do y'all ever do this? Go over there and do y'all's tires left, right to wave at them. See how she's waving? Yes, sir. Dude, this thing jumps so well. First fuck up. Right on that. You can see it too, where it dug in the dirt. Right on that one. Oh, she showed. Oh, I forgot to put those zip ties on. There you go, guys. She is good. It's just the battery wires came undone, that's all. Here, I'll show you. Check it out. Look, I just put 2 right there, right? And 2 right there. You know? Working fine. Yeah, see? Came undone. And she is fine. Ooh, it got duck. Yeah, shot tower. Straight as can be. That's at 70, 75. Finally hit the dirt with the shot tower. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it there, man. Make sure I'm still straight. Oh yeah. Now that's weird. Check this out, guys. If y'all know what's up with this, my left is ballooning way more than my right. See that? I'll do it again one more time. See that? Weird, right? Huh. It's alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Gator Jack out. I love each and every one of y'all RC enthusiasts. Let's keep this hobby alive. One love, guys. Peace.